Next phylum Arthropoda. Arthro means jointed, poda means legs. Jointed appendages present in arthropods. Arthropoda is largest phylum. Arthropoda is largest phylum. Over two-thirds of all named species on the earth is arthropods. It means 80% of organisms are arthropods. Largest class is Insecta. Class Insecta including the arthropoda. Next, habitat. These are cosmopolitan. Organisms. It means worldwide distribution. Habits. These are aquatic or terrestrial. Organisms. Layers. These are triploblastic organisms. Levels of organization. These are organ system level of organization. Coelom, Schizocoelom. But schizocoelom in cockroaches, the schizocoelom is occupied by hemolymph. So this coelom is called hemocoel. It means schizocoelom, true coelom occupies by hemolymph. Hemolymph is a blood. So this coelom is called hemocoel. Hemocoel is a not true coelom. True coelom occupies remains only surrounds the excretory organs and the gonads. True coelom occupies only excretory organs and gonads. Remaining true coelom is replaced by hemocoel. Next, symmetry. Symmetry is bilateral symmetry. Body is segmented body. Body is segmented. This segmentation is true segmentation or true metamerism and heteronomous metamerism. Heteronomous metamerism. These segments are functionally divides. Some segments are functionally isolated to form a regions. Segments forms regions. These regions are called tagmata. Segments forms functionally divides into regions. These regions are called tagmata. This process is called tagmatization. Tagmata had thorax and abdomen. Head, thorax and abdomen. These are three tagmata. Head is one tagmata, thorax is tagmata, and abdomen is another tagmata. Segments are functionally divided into regions. These regions are called tagmata. Head. Head helps for the head contains sensory organs. Sensory organs. Thorax helps for the locomotion because thoracic region contains legs and wings. Abdomen has visceral organs. These involves in the visceral functions. So, body divides into tagmata. This process is called tagmatization. Body is covered by chitinous cuticle. Body is covered by chitinous cuticle. It is a exoskeleton. Chitinous cuticle is a exoskeleton. It helps for the protection. It helps for the protection and water conservation. Exoskeleton helps for the protection and water prevention. Next, appendages. Outgrowth of the body wall forms appendages. These contains segmented appendages. Segmented appendages. These segments are called joints. These are segment. Segmented appendages present in arthropoda. Arthro means joints. Poda means legs. Appendages. Appendages are jointed. So these organisms included in the arthropoda. Jointed appendages are present in arthropods. Main character. And the striated muscle. First skeletal muscle present in the arthropoda. First skeletal muscle or striated muscle. First skeletal muscle appears in the arthropoda. These are helps for the rapid locomotion. Striated muscle or skeletal muscle helps for the rapid locomotion. Important point, striated muscles or skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles first appeared in the arthropoda. These helps for the rapid locomotion. Next, digestive system. Digestive system is coiled digestive system present in arthropods. Coiled digestive system. In annelids, digestive system is straight tube. In arthropods, coiled digestive system is present. Digestion is extracellular digestion. Next, respiratory system. The respiratory organs are gills, book gills, book lungs, the trachea. Respiratory organs are gills, book lungs and trachea. Gills. Gill respiration in crustaceans. Example, prawns. Book gills, limulus. Book lungs, scorpion. Book lungs are trachea. In trachea, cockroach. book lungs or trachea or both in spiders? Gills are respiratory organs in prawns. Book gills are respiratory organs in lemurus. Book lungs are respiratory organ in scorpion. Trachea is respiratory organ in cockroaches. Book lungs or trachea are both respiratory organs in spiders. Next, excretory system. Next, respiratory pigment. Respiratory pigment. Respiratory pigment is hemocyanin. Hemocyanin present in prawns. Respiratory pigment is hemocyanin. Hemocyanin is a copper containing pigment. Hemocyanin is respiratory pigment in prawns. Next, circulatory system. Circulatory system is open type. In Annelida, circulatory system is closed type except leeches. Leeches are open type of circulatory system. In arthropods, open type of circulatory system is present. Heart is dorsal. Dorsal heart is present. Next, excretory system. Excretory system. Excretory organs are Malpighian tubules, green glands, coxal glands. Malpighian tubules. Malpighian tubules present in cockroaches. Malpighian tubules present in cockroaches. Green glands are excretory organs in prawns. Prawns contains green glands. Green glands also called antennary glands. Green glands also called antennary glands. Green glands also called antennary glands because these are present near the antennae. Near the antennae. So these are called green glands or antennary glands. Antennary glands are excretory organs in prawns. Next, coxal glands. Coxal glands present in the arachnida or spiders. Coxal glands are excretory organs in spiders. Next, nervous system. Nervous system contains supraesophageal nerve ring. Supraesophageal nerve ring, double ventral nerve cord, and ganglia. Supraesophageal nerve ring. In Annelida, nerve ring is pharyngeal nerve ring. In Arthropoda, nerve ring is esophageal nerve ring. Nerve ring forms by brain, subesophageal ganglia and circumesophageal ganglia. These three are connected to form nerve ring. These nerve ring surrounds the esophagus. So nerve ring is circumesophageal nerve ring. Nerve ring is circumesophageal nerve ring. Double ventral nerve cord. Nerve cord is double, present in the ventral region of the body. Double ventral nerve ring are connected by ganglia. Sense organs are eyes, antennae and statocyst. Eyes are simple eye or compound eye. Compound eye also we discuss about compound eye, ommatidia. Eyes are simple eye or compound eyes. Antennae and statocyst. Statocyst are balancing organ or equilibrium organ. Next, reproductive system. Sexes are separate. These organism shows sexual dimorphism. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal fertilization. Fertilization is internal. Development may be indirect or direct development. Direct or indirect development. Some organism shows different stages in their life. Egg, larva, pupa, nymph, adult. These are the different stages. This shows metamorphosis. This shows metamorphism. It shows metamorphism. Some organisms, the exoskeleton of these organisms removes shed off periodically. This process is called ecdysis. Ecdysis or molting. Ecdysis or molting means the exoskeleton of arthropods periodically shed off. This process is called ecdysis or molting. Moltings helps for the growth of organism. Ecdysone hormone helps for the molting. These are the general characters of arthropods. Main characters are first striated muscle. First skeletal muscle appears in arthropods. Jointed appendages present in arthropods. Tagmatization present in arthropods. These are the main characters. Classification. Phylum Arthropoda contains 3 subphyla. 3 subphyla. Trilobata, Caesalata and Mandibulata. These are 3 subphyla. Trilobata, these are extinct organisms. Example, Triarthras. Next, Caesalata. Subphylum Caesalata. Caesalata has 2 classes. Xiphosaura, Arachnida. These are 2 classes in the subphylum Caesalata. Xiphosaura, example, Limbulus. Limbulus is a living fossil. Limbulus also called king crab. Limbulus is a living fossil. Living fossil means there is no evolutionary changes are little evolutionary changes in the organisms. So this is called living fossil, because these organisms, millions of years, these organisms, no evolutionary changes in these organisms. So these are called living fossils. Limulus contains a larva called trilobate larva. Trilobate larva present in the limulus. Limulus is a king crab. It is a living fossil, most important. Next, Arachnida. Class Arachnida organisms contains 4 pairs of walking legs. These organisms contain 4 pairs of walking legs. Examples: scorpion, spider, ticks and mites. In spider, spinnerets present in spiders. These spinnerets forms thread. Spinnerets present in the spiders. These spinnerets release fluid. This fluid forms thread-like structure. Thread. Next, subphylum Mandibulata. Mandibulata contains 4 classes. These are 4 classes. These are Crustacea, Chilopoda, Diplopoda, Insecta. Crustacea, Chilopoda, Diplopoda, Insecta. Crustacea. Class Crustacea has 2 pairs of antennae. This is the unique feature of Crustacea. 2 pairs of antennae. Examples: Palmian, it means freshwater prawn. Freshwater prawns contain biramous appendages. Biramous means this is appendages. Biramous means appendage divided into two regions. So these are called biramous appendages. Biramous appendages present in crustaceans. Example: Palmon, freshwater prawn; Balanus, rock barnacle; Saculina, root-headed barnacle; and Astacus, crayfish. Astacus, crayfish. Next, Daphnia, water flea. And Cancer, crab. Common name of Cancer is crab. These are the examples of Crustacea. Next, Chilopoda. These are commonly called centipedes. Each segment contains 1 pair of appendages. So these are 100-legged animals. The centipedes. These are carnivorous. Organisms. Example: Scolopendra scutigera. Next, Diplopoda. Dipoda, legs. Each segment contains 2 legs, 2 pairs of legs. So these organisms are called millipedes. Are 1,000-legged animal. This is 100-legged animal. This is 1,000-legged animal. This is centipede. This is millipede. Each segment contains 1 pair of appendages. Each segment contains 2 pairs of appendages. These are detritivores. Diplopods are detritivore organisms. Centipedes are Chilopoda is carnivorous organism. Examples of diplopods: Zoolus. Examples of diplopod is Zoolus. Diplopoda organism contain Gnathochilarium. Gnathochilarium It is formed by the modification of maxillae. Maxillae modified to form gnathochilarium. Gnathochilarium helps for the mastication of food. Gnathochilarium helps for the mastication of food. It is the modification of maxillae. Next, insecta. Insecta. Most developed class is insecta. Examples of insecta: musca, housefly; lepisma, silverfish, important lepisma; wingless insect. Wingless insect is lepisma, commonly called silverfish, false fish. Most important, wingless insect. These are the classes of arthropoda. Next, economic importance of insect. Economic important insects: Apis indica, honeybee; Bombyx mori, silkworm; Lacifera, lac insect. Lacifera is lac insect, produce lac. Next, vector. Some organisms, some insects act as vector. Vector means which organisms transport infective stage of parasites is called vectors. Anopheles, Culex, Aedes, these are mosquitoes. These organisms, these insects transport infective stage of parasites. For example, Plasmodium. Anopheles mosquito transports Plasmodium. Next, the gregarious pest. These organisms infect the paddy fields. These are Locusta. Locusta infects the paddy fields. So these are called gregarious pest.